is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. My today's recipe is Dahi Baingan. It's a pure vegetarian, really easy to make and tastes super flavorful. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make Dahi Baingan, here I have 500 grams of eggplant and I have cut this into long pieces this way. You can cut it in any shape that you want. First, we will marinate the eggplant with a few powdered masala. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. I'm adding all of these and we will nicely coat the eggplant with all of the powdered masala. Now we will fry the eggplant. For that, here I am using 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. This recipe is typically made with mustard oil, but you can use any other oil of your choice. First, we will heat up the mustard oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add the eggplant or the brinjal pieces and we will fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. We will only fry this till the eggplant is about 75 to 80% cooked. I have fried the eggplant pieces for about 5 minutes and have flipped on both sides as well. Now we will transfer the eggplant to a container and go ahead and fry the rest of the eggplant pieces in a similar way. Before we start making the Dahi Baingan, we'll make a masala paste. For that, here I have taken 3/4 cup of yogurt and to that we will add a few powdered masala, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. You can adjust based on your spice level, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, some salt to taste and also add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the sourness of the yogurt. And now mix all of this really well, and this is our yogurt masala paste that we will use later for the Dahi Baingan. There is some leftover oil in the frying pan and to this we will add an additional 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and first heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add some whole spices. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon pachforon, 2 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms, 6 cloves and 1 Kashmiri red chili. We are adding all of that. If you don't have pachforon, you can use regular cumin seeds. Also we will add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds. Now we will add 1 inch of finely chopped ginger. You can grate the ginger as well and at a low flame we will fry this for another minute. We have fried the ginger for another minute. Now we will add the yogurt masala paste that we made before. Keep the flame really low, otherwise the yogurt can get curdled. And again at a low flame we will continue to cook the masala for 4 to 5 minutes till we can see the oil separating out, and keep the flame as low and keep stirring continuously as you're cooking the masala. I have cooked the masala for another 5 minutes. You can see that the moisture has really dried up and oil is separating out. Now we will gradually add the fried eggplant or the brinjal pieces in the masala. So go ahead and add all of those. I have added all the eggplant pieces. Now we will cover this with a lid and let the eggplant cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. I have cooked the eggplant for another 3 minutes. Our Dahi Baingan is almost ready. At the end, we will add 3 green chilies that I've slit in the middle. This is optional. You can skip it if you want. And we will cover this back with a lid and keep this for another minute. Our Dahi Baingan is completely ready. It's a pure vegetarian, super easy, delicious recipe. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.